Hi! We are here in Talks.
Oh, you're recording.
We're going to Odaiba
Yeah.
to
Some cars.
see 5 minutes fireworks. It's dark here. And we're now here in U-Block Rainbow Bridge. Mama, you're so dark. I need some light. We wear some red. Cause it's nearly Christmas.
Can your camera take a picture of that?
No. We arrived earlier.
What time is it? The bus. So we're going to watch, and we are here already in Odaiba. There's a lot of people. You can see.
My hair is so fucking up. Look at her hair! Yo, look at her hair!
Yeah.
I look at my hair. I don't even do my hair today. That's how lazy I am today. I just... my hair is so fucked up. So bad. Everybody's come. And it's only like 5 minutes fireworks and everybody comes a lot. And there's only once in Saturday at 7 p.m. And everybody's come here. And just to see that thing on December. Yeah. Here's it go. This really blocked our way. So this fireworks only last for 5 minutes, and they're only doing on December Saturday at 7 p.m. in Odaiba Park. You can see everybody's like being so patient, waiting to see this firework, and it's so beautiful. For people who want to come visit Tokyo or Japan have like the most beautiful fireworks that I've seen in my life. I'm not sure that's another country, but Japan have like beautiful fireworks. I love fireworks. Here in Japan, they like fireworks, and they normally do in Tanabata or on like summer's time, and it's have like so beautiful fireworks. If you come to visit Japan, don't forget to come on summer's time or December. They gonna like do the biggest fireworks in Odaiba or in another like area too on like summertime. But December they might do in like, they do it every year, so come and see. cotton candy.
All people feel this here.
It's bigger than my head. Bigger than your head.
You bumping my nose.
You look like a poop.
That's all.
A rainbow poop. Put it.
You don't go with it.
Yo, it's gonna go on your eyelashes. My hair.
Oh, fuck.
Like this.
Sugar.
Turn it around.
Where's the, do you want to wear it? How does it taste?
Oh, shit. Like literal shit. No, it tastes good. Hold on. Grab it, rip it off.
Woo!
God.
I got a stick on my hair.
I can show it in my face. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Y'all, we're now in historic garage in Odaiba, and there's a bunch of cars. Coca-Cola? Coca-Cola?
I told him don't.
I think this is the old style of Coca-Cola. Windy. Take us around, please.
Yes. This is a Fiat 500.
Car?
It's one of the earliest novelties.
Do not touch. Okay, okay.
500D.
Oh, it looks so cute. It looks like
This is
me.
the car Cruella de Vil used to drive from 101.
What do you recommend for me?
I recommend for you this car.
Oh my god, it's BMW. Okay. Well, I
This
like
car,
it.
You open the front part and get in.
How to get? Okay.
That's the front door.
So they open from here and then go inside. Wow, it's so cute.
That's for the seating.
Ooh, I see my car.
Me too.
That one. That one. I like that one.
Oh.
Wow, this is it. That. What is this?
Sheesh, that's nice.
What is this? Mom, this is your car?
Yeah.
And this is my car.
Do you take a picture of me with the car? This cat is scaring me.
Oh, there's a
With the
cat.
cat. Yeah. With the cat. The cat.
This is my car. Looks so cute. Whoa. How to get in? Over here. There's a bunch of cars, but we might go in there to see stuff. Oh. There's more. Look at him. Let me take. He said that's a lot of car, but it's a mirror. Mirror.
You got tricked.
Mirror. And I was like, there's one more. And I was like, what? He tricked me, y'all. I like it. I will definitely get that one. That look like tuk tuk. I wear something like this, and it's hot. There, giant people over there talking, and I'm filming. Don't come near me. Do not. Here is a bunch of models car. Ambulance. Some of the car I didn't even born yet. Lamborghini. Tomato.
Tamaso.
Tomato. Tomato. Honda. Oi, do you watch this anime?
Yeah. Initial D.
No.
Initial D.
Recommendation. Hey, I want that. We're now heading back. We didn't make it to Tokyo Dome today, but we're gonna make it next time, right?
The next station is Nakano.
You came homeless. I look like you're homeless. Homeless person. Homeless hillbilly. Yeah. But we heading back to our home. Yeah. You just sound like, oh my god. Because I sound like that. When I was slurping, you would be slurping. Slurp. Look at me. He's tired. He looks so tired. They look so dead yet. We only like do for half day, right? Oh, it's not the full day yet. Whatever. Whatever. And we're done for today. Do you guys enjoy? Yo. He's not even care what I'm talking about. Do you enjoy today? You want to go out again?
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
Yeah. Look at him. He's so tired. He like, I don't give a fuck. I will go wherever you yeah. So, see you guys again.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. If you like this video, give me a subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye.